Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome, welcome. This is a safe place to learn English. You can relax, you can listen, you can learn, step by step.
I'm Ella.
And I'm Leo.
Leo, how are you today?
I'm very good, thank you, Ella. I have my tea, I'm relaxed, I'm ready to learn English together.
That's great. I'm ready too. And today we have a very useful topic.
Yes, a very important topic.
Today's topic is English conversation at the airport. Travel English for beginners.
Oh, I like this topic. Many people feel nervous at the airport.
Yes, big buildings, many people, fast speaking, but don't worry.
Yes, don't worry. Today we will learn simple English for the airport.
Simple words, real conversations, easy examples.
And we will repeat together. Listen, discuss, listen again.
Before we start, thank you for learning with us. If you like this podcast, please take 1 second and click like.
And please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us.
And share this podcast with a friend who wants to travel and speak English.
Okay, let's begin.
Okay, Leo, let's start at the beginning. You arrive at the airport.
Yes, you arrive early. You have your bag, you have your passport.
Good. At the airport, you see many signs.
Yes, you see signs like check-in, departures, arrivals.
Let's repeat together. Check in.
Check-in.
Good job. Check-in is where you give your bag and get your ticket.
Yes, you can say, I want to check in.
Listen again. I want to check in.
Very good. That is a simple and correct sentence.
Now you are at the check-in counter. A staff member speaks to you.
They usually say, hello, may I see your passport, please?
Let's repeat slowly. May I see your passport, please?
Good job. You can answer, here you are.
Very simple, very polite.
The staff may ask, do you have any bags to check in?
Let's break it down. Bags, check in.
You can answer, yes, I have one bag, or no, I have no bags.
Listen again. Yes, I have one bag.
Great, you are doing well already.
After check-in, you get a boarding pass.
A boarding pass is your travel paper. It shows your seat and gate number.
The staff may say, here is your boarding pass.
You can say, thank you.
Very easy. Thank you is very important.
They may also say, your seat is 12A.
Seat. Let's repeat. Seat.
Seat.
Good job. You can say, okay, thank you.
Now you go to security.
Many people feel nervous here, but it is okay.
The officer may say, please put your bag here.
Put your bag here.
Repeat it. Put your bag here.
Good. They may also say, take off your shoes.
Take off means remove.
Take off your shoes.
Good job. You can smile and say, okay.
Simple English is enough.
After security, you wait at the gate.
Yes, the gate is where you get on the plane.
You may hear boarding starts at 3 p.m.
Boarding means getting on the plane.
You can ask, is this the gate for Flight 205?
Listen again. Is this the gate for Flight 205?
That's a great sentence.
Now let's practice together. Listen and repeat.
I have my passport.
I have my passport.
Good job. I want to check in.
I want to check in.
Excellent. You are improving already.
Now you are on the plane.
You find your seat.
A flight attendant may say, welcome.
You can say, thank you.
They may ask, would you like water or juice?
Would you like means do you want?
You can answer, water, please.
Or juice, please.
Very good.
After the flight, you arrive.
Welcome to a new country.
At immigration, the officer may say, what is the purpose of your visit?
Purpose means reason.
You can say, I am here for vacation.
Listen again. I am here for vacation.
Or I am here for work.
Simple and clear.
Let's listen again to some key phrases.
I want to check in.
Here you are.
Take off your shoes.
Water, please.
Good job. Repetition helps your brain.
Ella, I want to say something.
Yes, Leo?
If you understand even 50%, that is great.
Yes, you are learning. You are moving forward.
English is a journey.
Small steps are powerful.
Good job for staying with us.
Leo, let's do a short, real conversation.
Okay.
I am the airport staff. You are the traveler.
Okay.
May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, I have one bag.
Perfect. That sounds very real. Okay, everyone, we are almost done.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
I want to check in.
Here is my passport.
Take off your shoes.
Water, please.
Very good. These phrases are simple but powerful.
You can use them in real life.
You are learning travel English.
And you are doing a great job.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
What is the first thing you do at the airport? Do you check in? Do you buy food?
We love reading your answers.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Keep going. You are improving already.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.